Your Majesty Mtofu Tutu II and the Chancellor of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Vice Chancellor, faculty, staff, and students of the university, ministers, graduates, families, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we greet you all here at the University in Kumasi, Sanbonani. It is a great joy to join you today at this 50th special congregation of the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, being the last day of my state visit here in Ghana. This marks the climax of following up our tour of the university yesterday, where we were able to see the wonderful infrastructure and facilities you have. The institution has provided amenities which allow for the excellent training and grooming of students who come here to find the requisite skills and knowledge in their career and professional improvement. We are happy that today we gather to celebrate not just a ceremony, but a milestone, which is a culmination of years of dedication, perseverance, and intellectual development, as education is the cornerstone of everything. We extend our heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you who have navigated the rigors of your academic journey with resilience and determination. You have faced challenges, embraced opportunities, and emerged stronger, wiser, and ready to embark on the next chapter of your lives. Education, as we all know, is more than the accumulation of facts and figures. It is the foundation upon which we build our dreams, the compass that guides us through the uncertainties of life, and the key that unlocks doors to endless possibilities. Graduates, we strongly believe that during your time here, you have not only acquired knowledge, but you have also learned how to think critical, solve problems, and innovate. These skills will serve you well no matter where your path leads you. As you step beyond this day, remember that the world you are entering is one of rapid change and boundless opportunity. The challenges you will face, be it in science, technology, health, the environment, society, or other sectors, will be indeed complex. But so too are the solutions you are equipped and empowered to create from the knowledge you have acquired here. Your education has prepared you not just to adapt to change, but to lead it. The world today is all about technology and artificial intelligence. We look up to you to lead us with the new norm we are faced with. Let me remind you, success is not measured solely by titles or accolades, but by the impact you make on the world around you. Be courageous in your pursuit, compassionate in your actions, and unwavering in your integrity. We are also pleased to learn that this great university is also home to students from the Kingdom of Eswatini, which others are also coming to join as the offer from the Chancellor. This heartwarming, as we are confident that they are exposed to excellent learning experiences and acquiring the best education. The current enrolled students join many other Mswati who have also come to Ghana to study here in the many years of our good relations. We hope you will raise the country's banner higher as you continue to represent us well. Be respectful and responsible. That is how we are known wherever we are. Make sure you focus your studies and also discover the beautiful traditions and culture of the Ghanaian community as you exchange experiences amongst them. As I conclude, let me also extend our appreciation to the families and friends who have supported the graduates and to the dedicated faculty and staff for mentoring and shaping the leaders of tomorrow. The journey of education does not end here today. It is a long life adventure. As you move forward, remember that you are the architects of your own destiny. Carry with you the commitment and passion to excellence as enshrined under this great institution guiding principle. The knot of wisdom is tied only by the wise. Congratulations and all the best in your future endeavors. I thank you, Siyabonga. May Almighty God bless us all.